Welcome to the 7th video of the IoT in Practice workshop. Last time we were reading data from sensors. We will send that data to an MQTT broker, and the server will read it and save it to a database. Let's get started. If we are wondering how professionals create electronics without chaos and with maximum collaboration, the answer is Arduino Develop. Imagine an environment where you eliminate the problem of manually emailing files to others, such as mechanical engineer for PCB verification, and start working in real time in one cloud. Arduino Develop is an advanced professional central hub that integrates the PCB design tool with the broader ecosystem. With it you can forget about the frustration and delays that come from constantly losing context and having to manually track corrections. First, let's create a code that sends some sample data from the XIAO to the broker. We need to install the libraries for Wi-Fi and MQTT support, and then we will walk through the code. We will create variables for the hotspot name, the password, and the broker's IP address. To find the address, you can type the ifconfig command in your terminal. It will display a list of interfaces, and this is the one we are interested in. Now let's connect to the Wi-Fi network and the broker and send a message saying hello to a topic named test. Make sure you have the correct board selected, XIAO ESP32C6, and upload the code. In the terminal, let's run the server application we created earlier. As you can see, our microcontroller sends the message once, the server receives the data and then saves it to the database. Now that we know how to send data from the microcontroller to the broker, let's try sending data from the server and receiving it on the microcontroller. To do this, we need to subscribe to a topic, in this case called test, and add a callback, a function that will execute whenever a message is received. Inside this function, we will print the message content to the serial monitor. Meanwhile, in the server application, once the connection is established, let's send a greeting, hello from little XIAO. Let's upload the code and start the server. Great, everything is working perfectly. We can also peek into the database content. In my case, you can see the test messages stored there as well.